What a fall this time! Once again, this cricket frenzy nation is shattered. It may never see some of its favorite players dominating the field again. A recent defeat in Australia was easy to forget, but not this crime against the game, the fans and the country. Just 9 months ago, those cricketers were on the high pedestal of success. They had just brought 2020 World Cup home, and they were given a red carpet welcome, first time by the Parliament.
आज जो क्रिकेट टीम का इस्तकबाल पार्लियामेंट में हुआ, तो इससे आप ये समझें कि जो सिक्योरिटी की वजह से हम आपका इस्तकबाल पूरी कौम एक जगह जो न कर सकी, ये 16 करोड़ आवाम बैठी है.
Everyone was flying high and making tall claims for the future. After the 1992 World Cup, that was the biggest victory of the national cricket team.
We expect a great deal from this team.
दुआ करें कि वहाँ भी अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस करें.
Of course, the nation wished them well as it always does. But what they have done in the end? A shameful act of betrayal. The cricketers have the reputation of being rude and arrogant. Shahid is considered one of them.
Must be a great day for you.
I don't want to say anything about this.
For the cricket.
That's what I'm saying. I can't say anything at the moment.
Recently, he was caught while biting the ball, and the cricket board imposed a huge fine on him for the ball tampering. The history of match fixing is not new in Pakistan. About 10 years ago, cricketers like Salim Malik and Atahur Rahman were found guilty of the match fixing. Once again, the cricket team morale seems an all-time low. The nation can forget even the worst defeat, but it may not forgive those who have breached the trust. Shahzad Raza, Dawn News, Islamabad.